In this video, the Bitcoin price is still holding strong with this Bitcoin bull market support band in the weekly time frame. And on top of that, guys, we are also going to give you a quick update with the Ethereum price action. We'll stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, ang winawatch out talaga natin in the previous videos are actually the daily time frame in the 100-day moving average. Kasi diba sabi ko sa previous video, na-break natin yung support in the daily time frame. So we have seen Bitcoin started going down dito sa ating daily time frame support. But ang one thing to take note dito is we are still inside this falling wedge sa ating daily time frame. And in fact, if you're going to zoom out in the weekly time frame, you can still see that wedge forming within the daily time frame. Now, this is actually a good sign because as you can see, this could be a potential bull flag then if you're going to plot a pole dito, then lagay mo din siya sa possible point of breakout. That could lead us this next movement back to the around $35,000 US, around that area roughly. But yeah, there's another thing to take note dito kasi if you're going to look at this in the weekly time frame and if you're going to open the bull market support band, the bull market support band is actually holding pretty strong right now dito kay Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, even though nagkaroon tayo ng malaking dip at pagbagsak kay Bitcoin recently, you can see na we are still holding this line strongly. So right now, if you are looking at the very short term tapos sinasabi nyo na hala pababa si Bitcoin, well, I suggest na use, when in doubt, just zoom out. Because if you're going to look at the overall Bitcoin price action, it's a healthy retracement to the downside. And it's actually for us to see a reset sa ating indicators. And as you can see, we just went back to this bull market support band. And if you're going to look back in time, Bitcoin bull market support band is actually a good time for us to reset our indicators. As you can see sa ating previous cycles, we have seen that. And yung pinakang best example nun was around 2015 up until 2018 wherein the Bitcoin bull market support band held pretty strong dito sa Bitcoin price action. And right now, we are at that similar early stages right now kay Bitcoin price action. We are holding support within the Bitcoin bull market support band. So the question is, are we going to get a bounce dito? So if you're going to follow this, itong bull flag na yan, then it's more likely na we are going to see a support dyan. Possible kasi na mangyari na sundan niyo yung bull flag forming in the weekly time frame. But take note, this is in the weekly time frame. This will take time to play out. So this will not happen within this month or within the next few months. It's more likely, it will not happen within this day or within the next few weeks, but it will happen more likely in the next few months kasi this is in the weekly time frame. So right now, even though na we are starting to look like bearish sa ating daily time frame, ang concern kasi natin dito is wala tayong sell volume sa ating daily time frame, so that is not a confirmed bearish movement. Rather, usually mga breakdown na ganyan na wala namang sell volume, that can lead into fake out. In that case, that can go back to the upside. So in this case, what I would suggest is for you to wait for this breakout sa ating yung hinintay natin magkaroon ng breakout itong falling wedge, which is up until na wala pa din tayong breakout both in the daily, weekly, for our time frame. Yeah, we are still waiting for that breakout, and we have been playing at inside that wedge for around roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 weeks na tayo nandito sa ating falling wedge. So, medyo matagal-tagal na paghihintay na nga to. So, yeah, talagang matinding patience yung kailangan dito sa crypto market. And it's been 2 months na nga since nagkaroon tayo ng malaking movement. And yeah, this is where our patience are going to be tested talaga. But take note na when in doubt, just zoom out. As you can see, we are still above this Bitcoin bull market support band. So it's possible na we can still see a bounce. But yun nga, as long as we are not getting candle close below this green line, then we are still safe sa ating Bitcoin price action. And take note, malaki kasi yung resistance na nag-form dito sa weekly time frame, and that is this red box na nilagay ko dito. That is more likely one of the reasons why we are not seeing a massive breakout kasi previously in a bull market that has acted as a very strong support area dito kay Bitcoin price action. Right now, since we just recently came off from this bearish movement, we are still waiting for this breakout sa ating dun sa ating red line na yan. So right now we are not seeing any breakout pa din kasi we are still below this red area na yan. So that is what we are currently seeing dito kay Bitcoin price action. So best thing to do is for us to wait out for this to break out sa ating falling wedge. So that is what we are currently seeing right now dito kay Bitcoin price action. Now let's dive in dito kay Ethereum, kasi dito kay Ethereum, as you can see, just like with Bitcoin, we are still seeing a massive support dito kay Ethereum price action. Let's try to look at different indicators dito kay Ethereum. So you could somehow say, if you're going to look at the weekly time frame, that could be a very good support for 20-week moving average, kasi kay Bitcoin, yung ginagamit natin na Bitcoin bull market support band is the 20-week, which is the screen line. So kay Ethereum, doon tayo nakakita ng support, and that has become a resistance in a downtrend. Right now, if you're going to follow this in the Ethereum price action, we can see now we are still above this green line, and Ethereum is actually looking healthier than Bitcoin as of the time being. So I think it's starting to look like Ethereum to be a more healthy investment for the time being, kasi as you can see, even though bumababa si Bitcoin ng mga 5% or 6%, Ethereum is just going down around 2 or 3% lang eh. So in this case, Ethereum, if let's say you want your money to be safe for the time being, Bitcoin is of course yung first choice natin if let's say ilalagay natin yung safe space natin dito for the crypto market. But if let's say naghanap pa ng alternative cryptocurrency, Ethereum is actually also a healthy option if let's say gusto mo ilagay yung pera elsewhere. So yeah, right now, those are the things na pwede natin tingnan if when it comes to a healthy investment. If hindi Bitcoin, then of course Ethereum, kasi Ethereum is actually looking pretty good right now. And in fact, Ethereum has just been moving sideways for the past few weeks na nga. And even though na nagkaroon tayo ng malaking dump dito kay Ethereum, as you can see, yung price action natin noong March 2023 was around 1,800, and right now, yung current price sa Ethereum is still at 1,800. So, even though na nagkaroon tayo ng malaking pabagsak, you can see na Ethereum is still roughly stable, sideways movement pa rin siya. So, yeah, it's actually looking good right now with Ethereum price action. So, if let's say you want to invest for the long term, Ethereum is actually looking good as of the time being dito with the crypto market. And take note guys, if let's say you want to start investing dito with the cryptocurrency market, make sure to check out BYBIT, kasi dito mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. And if hindi pa kayo marunong mag-trade, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can find in the description down below. Yung Gabs Crypto 101 playlist, they are all free tutorial videos on how to trade from scratch. And if let's say you want to start trading kay Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if you want to start investing in those cryptocurrencies, you can actually check out our tutorial playlist that you can find in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.